Hello days friends! Welcome back to my channel. So this video is gonna be a little bit different as you can tell. So I'm just in my room since we cannot go out, we cannot travel yet because of the enhanced community quarantine here in Cebu City. So I thought of doing a little bit something personal, yes. So I'm gonna be doing a get to know me tag or the 50 facts about me. I'm gonna be answering all of the questions that's being asked to me. So last week I asked you guys in my IG story or in my Facebook story, what do you want to know about me, and some of the questions are already answered on my IG stories and Facebook. So yes, today I'm gonna be answering all of them. I know some of you already know me because I've been doing YouTube for over a year now, but I realized that I haven't done a get to know me tag yet. So today I'm gonna be doing that. Yes, I know it's late, but it's better late than never, right? Yes guys, so if you're ready, let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the first question. What is your full name? So my full name is Daisy Cortez Atim. Yes, I know it's boring. Second, where did you grow up? So I grew up in Madre de Dios Bantayan Island. It's an island, northern part of Cebu. Where do you currently live? So I currently live in Compostela since I'm working here in Cebu City. Who is your first best friend? My best friend, Marley Mansueto. We're best friends since grade 1 up until now. Dogs or cats? So I prefer dogs over than cats because I don't like the balhibo of the cats. How many countries have you traveled? So I think Singapore, Hong Kong, Macau, Bali, Maldives, Thailand. So 6, 7, ka-7 ang Philippines. What year were you born? 1994. So I'll be turning 26 on May 19. So please, i-ready na inyong mga gifts. Are you in or have you gone to college? Yes, I graduated Bachelor of Science in Information Technology in University of Cebu, Lapu-Lapu, and Mandaue. Wow. Next, what is your favorite drink? Favorite drink? I'm not into liquors. I only drink water. Charot! Good girl. Bitaw guys, I only drink Fit and Right. Bitaw, I don't drink a lot. Like, dili ko kanang palainom. Have you been to any concerts or festivals? Which were the most memorable? So I've only been in a concert once. So katong pag February 14, which is in Waterfront, the December Avenue and Boys Avenue concert. So mo siya kong first na concert na naatinan. So next, you're wearing perfume. What scent is it? Akong perfume kay Victoria's Secret, kanang pasalubong sa kong kuya na si Man. Next, tea or coffee? I'm not a coffee lover, so tea. Pero kung tea man gani kay milk tea pod, kanang na pearl bitaw. Next, what are your life goals? I don't have a particular goal, but ako lang goal is mas successful and happy, genuinely, and man-satisfy sa life. Char. What social media are you addicted to? So, di man sa addicted, pero ang akong perming gamito na social media gyud kay kuan ra Facebook, Instagram, ug YouTube. Wala kay kuan ng Twitter. Next, video games you've played. So I'm not a gamer. So dili kay ko hilig og mga mobile games like kanang MLML, di ko muduan na. But I remember before kanang sa PC, I played Sims and kuan Plants vs Zombies. So next, what is your favorite movie? My favorite movie is Miracle in Cell number 7. So it's really a good movie. If you haven't watched that yet, so i-watch ninyo guys. Katong Korean na version. Who are your favorite YouTubers? Favorite YouTubers, Will Dasovich. Sa female kay I've Lovin' It. Siya. Next, what's your favorite color? My favorite color is peach. Are you single or taken? Char! Single! What is your ideal man? Ideal man kay kanang responsable, kanang may plano sa kinabuhi. Bitaw. Char! Bitaw kanang balag di kay gwapo no, pero basta kanang responsable lang sa life, kanang apil ka sa iyang plano. Charot. Di na ta magstoryan abi. What is your idea of your dream date? Dream date kanang kuan na candle, char! Na candlelight, na flowers, na kuan. Wala ko experience ani. So, ito. Next kay, when are you getting married, ha? Uyab, getting married na. No guys, siguro mga kuan 28 to 32. Ano na siya na age bracket. Maybe. Depende. God willing. Next, if given a chance to travel Europe, where would it be and why? So, kung Europe kay my dream destination good is Paris. Every girl man good siguro kay Paris kay the Eiffel Tower. And then next kay Mora or Italy, I don't know. Mora akong mailhan good na mga kuan. Netherlands. Next, how many siblings do you have? I have 3 siblings. So, I have an older brother, my kuya Edsel. Next na ko kay a girl which is Claire. And ang kamanghuran is Lucky. So, yes. What is your go-to fast food order? Jollibee na super meal ka na ay kuan, ay chicken, na ay burger steak, na ay spaghetti. Ano siya. Favorite extracurricular in elementary school? Guru, Girl Scout, camping, o kanang drum and lyre, charot, mota siya. Next, your most memorable vacation memory. Most memorable vacation memory sa Maldives. Kay it's really on top of my bucket list, pero grabe, from Philippines lang na mga destination, diretso sa Maldives, diba? What are your morning and evening routine? Kung morning routine, after nakog mata kay mag-pray, tapos mag home workout, pa-abs and mga booty charot. Ang evening routine, wala naman, manghilamos. Maligo after. What are your happiest within your life? Ang kanang maka-travel ko and maka-inspire ko other people. Next, what is your favorite Netflix show? My favorite Netflix show is daghan man mga series, mga Money Heist, How to Get Away with Murder, ug Crash Landing on You. Show us your songs tab on Spotify. Wait lang. So kani guys, maraman sa man ni na mga worship song, mga 80s, mga maoy. Ano ni maoy di. So mo din akong favorite na kanta karon. Still Fighting It, which is from sa Itaewon Class. Nice kayo siya. So enough na kay ma-copyright na ta. Next question. Who pushed you to start vlogging? So isa ka friend ako from travel. Kausar mo nagkita niya, pero she sold her camera, which is the one I'm using now. She convinced me to start vlogging because nado ko yung potential. Charot. So thank you, Madam, for convincing me. Next, when did you started vlogging? So I started vlogging December 2018. So my first vlog katong naon mig buffet sa Marco Polo. So mo to siya ang start good. What theme parks have you been to? Theme parks kuan itong sa Hong Kong, Hong Kong Disneyland and Ocean Park. Mora. Who was your childhood best friend? Balik naman siya. Marley Mansueto. She's a teacher sa Bantayan. Who is your celebrity crush? Akong celebrity crush, babae man, si Ivana Alawi, shout out. Si Liza Soberano, mga babae man akong mga celebrity crush. Ay! Next, what is your favorite genre of film and why? Love, mga romantic drama, mga inana. What was your dream job as a kid? Kuan, doctor. Pero mahal man ya, tapos mag-decide kaya sa power sa mukuan kaya we're not rich. So, ano to siya? Nag-IT na ako. I'm a scholar. What software do you use for editing, for video and photo? For video, Adobe Premiere Pro, tapos for photo kay Lightroom and Photoshop og sa phone kay Snapseed. Do you know how to cook? What's your favorite recipe? Dili kay ko hilig mag-cook. Akong favorite na recipe kay rice. Joke. Kanang kabaw ra sad ko pag mag prito. Pero kung magluto-luto ko mga churbalo kay mag-search ko sa internet, sa magpatabang ko ni Mr. Google o ni kuan YouTube. Have you moved from home? How was the experience? Move from home. So, kung matawag niya siya, kaya kung hometown good kayo, naman sa Bantayan. I'm currently in Cebu since I'm working here. So, it's a little bit difficult kay wala kay mama na mo magbantay ni mo, walay muluto. So, muna na siyang struggle yun. Have you ever failed at anything and what did you learn? Failed anything? Unsa man? Siguro, kalisod lagi ani. Fail at anything. Relationship, char. Marata. And what did you learn? So, bisag unsa pang kadugay kay kuan. Wala gi forever. Next, are you more of an indoor or outdoor person? I'm more of an outdoor. Kalagan kay ko. What is your greatest achievement? So, when I was able to graduate in college as a cum laude, char. What one thing do you really want but can't afford? For now, kay kuan lang, house and lot siguro for now. Pero ma-reach na ako pukon. What is the biggest misconception about you? Kuan daw, maldita daw ko, suplada. Kaya tungod siguro sa kung naong, pero dili ba guys? Char. Next, what do you do in your free time? Kuan lang, wala lang mag-internet, magtanaw Netflix. What's the most annoying question people ask you? When are you getting married? That's the most annoying. Next, what are you most looking forward to in the next 10 years? 10 years? Well, building my own family, char! Getting married, and traveling around the world. Muna siya kung kuan. I'm looking forward for the next 10 years and building my own house. Char. Next, kay, what are you looking forward to in the coming months? In the coming months, I'm looking forward na everything will be back to normal. This INCO will be gone forever. So, muna siya kung look forward para everything kay makakuha na, normal na, dili na work from home kasi I miss the office. Char! Please guys, please stay at home! Stay at home! Stay at home guys para ma-stop na ni siyang income. And I miss traveling yun. I have some flights. Akong mga flights kay mag-start og May but I don't know if ma-push through pa siya. So that's all guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope that you learn more about me personally. Yes, so maulit to siya guys. Comment down below if what videos do you want to see in my YouTube, in my channel while on quarantine. So since I cannot travel yet, so comment in the comment section below guys, what do you want me to do? And that's all. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys on my next vlog. Bye guys!